So they take up more space. Mm-hmm.
That's right. Over here.
Sprinkle it. So don't get my gloves all sticky.
Sprinkle it in.
Yeah, so you don't get your gloves all sticky.
Yeah.
Let's get all the stuff already in there, soaked in there. Big pieces.
Full coverage.
Yes.
That's right.
Massage it in. So you can get the inside fold. Doesn't that look weird?
Was that a thigh?
This is a thigh, yes.
Big thigh.
Yes.
It's a
The
chunky
chicken was pretty big, yeah. Get the crevice.
Pollo taba.
Yeah,
You
it's
open
good.
your restaurant, call it taba
Yep.
pollo.
Taba pollo.
Chunky chicken. No?
That's good too. That's there. Sitting there. Ta-da. We have more. I think I may need. I don't know if I have enough.
Yeah, that's right.
All over that.
Technique.
Sprinkle it like a baby. Sprinkle it over so it doesn't gently. Takes a long time.
With love. You have to pat it with love.
Yes.
You don't want to rush it.
This has been sitting here for 48 hours in the brine.
Buttermilk brine, 48 hours. That's your quarantine chicken when you've got nowhere to go for a couple days.
Yep. How to make, yeah, you know, buttermilk.
Corona chicken.
Yeah, hunker down chicken, whatever you want to call
Lockdown.
it. Lockdown chicken.
Lockdown.
You don't have to go to KFC.
NEEN'S lockdown recipe.
First you
Yes,
gotta
you can't leave the house. Can't go to Popeyes.
gotta get
What
the
are you gonna do?
buttermilk. Good thing we got the ingredients we needed for the week.
Yes.
Really wet.
But,
So
yeah,
that
when you
guy's
plan
wet.
ahead for life in general, you don't have to go out and do any crazy weird stuff.
Yeah, we're always planning because we meal plan.
Gotta
And
eat.
there's people that don't meal plan. Oh, sorry. Good.
Well, we also have to stock up. We always stock up.
Oh, because we live in the boonies.
Because we don't want to drive a half hour to pick up a hamburger.
Yes.
That's no fun.
So we just make that ourselves. See, the breading is starting to get clumpy because it's getting wet. Kinda. Can always get cornstarch. I use cornstarch instead of flour.
100% cornstarch?
100% cornstarch.
No flour in this?
Nope.
Oh. I did not know that.
It should be
That's cool.
crispier. That's what
Right.
it said.
Mm-hmm. So there you go. Helpful tip.
Gonna record this whole thing.
No.
Okay.
I think we get the idea. This will
Yes.
be the last piece.
All right, good, because yeah, the
breaded
flour,
chicken.
the flour is starting to look
It's
sad.
not as pretty now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But that's okay, because the last ones are the little bitty, the sad little wings and drumsticks
Yeah,
anyway.
they don't need the full coating.
Only the kids eat that stuff.
It's
Oh,
my
wait, you eat
favorite.
wings. You like the wings.
Actually, that's normally what I do first. Coat my wings
Make
first.
Your wings are good.
See, there's still room in there for some
Get in there. Get it in there.
coating. It's windy outside too.
Very windy.
This should last
I'll do a
us.
sunset wind video later.
about 2 days. Hopefully.
Oh, yes,
Seemingly
yes,
for 3 people.
yes.
On
Unless
this
someone has the midnight
Yes.
munchies.
I was
And
gonna say
then
that.
suddenly there's fried chicken in bed.
Yes.
Yeah, been known to happen.
Okay, it's good.
All right, that's enough breading. Phase
Breading
2
video.
coming up. Or wait, 1, 2, 3, phase 4.
How about this? Haha. There's all the chicken. Fully breaded. Looking very tasty. I've been told that this is tapioca flour. But if you don't have that, you could use cornstarch and get the same result for a nice, flaky, crispy chicken. All right, time to heat the oil. Flame is on. Gonna heat that up to 350 eventually. Should take about 10 minutes. And that's just about the right amount of time for the chicken to rest. It sits for 10 minutes and then we'll fry it up. All right. All right, first cycle of fry is done. And helpful hint, if you put your draining rack upside down on the paper towel, the grease will actually absorb into the towel. Thank you, Alton Brown. And now we're gonna get ready for the second round of frying and show you what it's like when it's all finished. All right, that's after the second fry. Yes, it looks dark, but that's because of the spices. It's not burned. All right, so keep it in the oven to keep it warm. And then get all your sides ready and serve it up. All right, there it is. The final fried chicken with a little bit of corn and potato salad. Delicious quarantine cuisine. And in the description, we will put a link to the fried chicken recipe and the potato salad too. Enjoy. Happy quarantine.